As a result of the recent financial crisis, many of the assumptions that we have had about how corporations are run and should be run are under attack. People are questioning how executives are being paid. They're questioning how management is running these corporations. And our students need to understand why this is happening. They need to understand what's going to happen, and they need to understand what they're going to do once they go and begin their legal careers. What makes the Heyman Center special is the breadth of its activities. The Heyman Center here at Cardozo is very much focused at the student experience, but also trying to interact much more with the practitioner and policymaking communities. JP Morgan Chase approached Cardozo Law School in order to recruit new lawyers for its in-house counsel staff. Now, this is very unusual for large banks, but JP Morgan realized that the type of work that it wanted its lawyers to do was something that lawyers who are at law firms were not getting trained to do. They've come away very impressed with the quality of our graduates, and therefore they chose Cardozo to be the law school that they wanted to start the program with. Corporate law is becoming more international. The boundary lines that used to define where corporations did their business are now falling away. That's why it's incredibly important for our students, especially those who are interested in corporate law, to really understand developments in China, in Europe, and in other major areas of the world. The Law in China program is our effort by the Heyman Center to give our students direct contact with this very important economy of the world.
I went to China this January, where we studied intellectual property law, corporate law, securities, financial regulation, just a hot pot of all the things that were interesting going on right now outside of school, and it blew my mind. You were in China and you're seeing the same issues that we saw here in the States, and on a broader level, because they're struggling figuring out what the law even is. I think my passion really will stick with corporate law, securities law in particular, and now seeing that it's not even interesting, but not just interesting, but it's fun, I really do think my passion will just continue to drive.
Cardozo is a great place to study corporate law. I think there are so many opportunities for students here, from coursework to internship opportunities to study abroad programs. We really do have a range of opportunities for people who are interested in learning about corporate law and pursuing careers in corporate law.